The much-dreaded traffic problem on Metro Manila's busiest highway, EDSA, was foreseen by experts years ago. Gus Lagman, president of the Automobile Association of the Philippines, says his group proposed a long-term plan to decongest EDSA ages ago.
Matagal na namin sinasabi, subway is the ultimate solution. Kung meron tayong magandang subway system, kung meron tayong inumpisahan 5 years ago, baka today, or maybe in a couple of years, meron ng isang line. Hindi natin inuumpisahan eh.
He says it's high time for a subway system in Metro Manila, given its rapid growth. Construction of a subway system is part of the government's Transport Infrastructure Development Plan. Dream Plan 2030 was prepared by the Japan International Cooperation Agency.
Lahat ng malalaking metropolises sa mundo, London, New York, Paris, Tokyo, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, lahat yan subway. Oras na maumpisahan mo ang isang linya, madali na yung mga sumusunod. No, dagdag ka na lang ng dagdag.
Capacity-wise, Lagman says a heavy rail subway system can carry more passengers than the existing light train line that crosses the 23-kilometer stretch of EDSA. Experts say an underground heavy rail mass transport system could be the dream solution to solve the massive traffic problem in Metro Manila. But questions have been raised whether or not this would be feasible under the busy thoroughfare of EDSA. It is, according to Reynaldo Rosario, Chief Engineer of the Public Works Department. But there are concerns that must be addressed.
From my point of view as civil engineer, feasible siya. However, may mga consequences niyan na to be experienced or to be encountered during the construction of that major project. Yung inconvenience to the motoring public during the construction, yung amount involved o yung additional cost involved, yung consideration on existing utility facilities.
Rosario says the subway can be built under EDSA from Monumento to Rojas Boulevard.
Considering na ang isang direksyon ng EDSA ngayon ay nagre-range siya ng up to maximum of 6 lanes. Sabihin natin 21 meters ang lapad ng isang direksyon. Yung existing MRT kasi ngayon ay 10 meters lang naman ang right of way niya. So kung yung 21 ngayon yung papasukan mo at 10 meters lang naman yung subway na gagawin mo, more than enough yung isang direksyon ng EDSA to accommodate yung proposal.
Recent reports say the Department of Public Works and Highways will complete the master plan for a subway system in Metro Manila this year. Camille Abadisio, CNN Philippines.